Tomorrow, the University of Colorado Anschutz Medical Campus has teamed up with 365 Health, formerly 9 Health Fair. Together, they are hosting a health and research fair. This is so community members can access free or low-cost health screenings, blood work, COVID-19 and flu vaccines, along with medical advice and even a cooking demo. Joining me today, we have Marie Fazer and Sarah Jolly. Both of you work in the research world connected through Anschutz. You're going to be part of this tomorrow, so thank you so much for joining us to kind of talk about what's going on tomorrow. Let's first talk about the research studies, because people will have an opportunity to sign up for a bunch of different research studies. Let's walk me through some of the options first.
Yep, so there will be 25 different research groups there, ranging in studies around exercise and kind of general health and wellness. There will be some women's health studies. There are studies around Alzheimer's and aging related things that people have going on that we'd like to learn more about. And then Sarah here is going to tell us more about a long COVID study. Okay. So there's really something for everyone.
That one, right?
Yeah,
tell us about that.
I am a co-investigator with Dr. Christine Erlinson on the study looking at long-term recovery after COVID-19. It's part of a multi-center study that's being done nationally, recruiting about 17,000 individuals to look at the long-term effects after COVID. So we're particularly interested in folks that have been recently infected within the last 30 days, and then individuals that have actually not had COVID previously, so that we can understand the differences between.
I feel like it'd be very hard to find someone who has not yet had COVID.
But if they're interested, please come out and see us.
Yeah. That's you. And I mean, just the value of having medical studies like this, people in our community can contribute to. This is how we learn about these diseases and what we can do with them, right?
Exactly. Yep. I mean, it really is how we make medical breakthroughs, is by having people participate in studies. There's a whole wide range of things, from very low commitment to heavier commitments, observational studies where we're just following people over time to learn more, and then interventional studies where you're given medicines and things like that. But there truly is something for everybody who wants to participate.
So that's one part of the fair. But the other part of these fairs we've come to know through the years has to do with screening. So walk us through just a couple things that people can go get checked out for.
Yep, so we will have all of the regular blood screenings that 365 Health offers. A lot of the other screenings that people typically get to see are going to be kind of accessed through these research studies in a lot of ways. So there will be some hearing screenings and a couple of other things. But it's really a fun way to learn more about your health and how you can help improve the health of your community.
Right, and information is so powerful when it comes to your health, right? Maybe you think you're doing this just to, okay, great, I'll do it. But truly, people have learned things about themselves and their health through this, right?
Absolutely. And part of the Recover study, people undergo a lot of testing, and so they get to learn about their own health while contributing to our broader understanding about recovery after COVID-19, which has affected so many individuals.
And we're living through that in real time, right? We still don't have the long view yet on COVID. We're in the middle of it. So, okay, so a couple of quick details for tomorrow for anybody who's interested in going. Why don't you guys give us a real quick rundown?
So it runs from 8 to noon at the Anschutz Health and Wellness Center. It's at Peoria and Montview, basically. Okay. And you can kind of show up anytime. I would say, plan to spend maybe an hour kind of wandering through, learning more, but that's where we'll be.
And they're promising some cooking demos tomorrow, too.
Yes. There'll be some sort of breakfast-related cooking demo. It starts at 9 o'clock.
Who doesn't love breakfast? All right, ladies, we've got Marie Fazer, Sarah Jolly, both of you guys. Thank you so much for coming in today and talking about the health fair tomorrow.
Great. Thank you so much.